Good morning, students. Today, students, we are going to do activity 8 of lesson number 4, subtraction. In this module, students, we will do round off the numbers. Clear? So let's start with the activity 8. Activity 8, question number 1 is estimate each of the following by rounding off to nearest tens. Clear? Means you have to round off each number to the nearest tens, and then what the answer come, you have to add them. Clear? I will do A and B part of question 1 and 2. This C part of question 1 and 2 you have to do by yourself in the copy. Clear? So I am going to start. A part is estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Nearest tens means first of all on the number, students, we write ones tens. Clear? As you know that in nearest tens we always see the ones place. If the ones place number is greater than 5 or equals to 5, what we do? We add 1 to tens. So when we add 1 to tens place number, the number becomes 5. And underlined digit becomes 0. So answer is 50. Clear? Now 56. Again ones place number is 6, which is greater than 5. And when 6 is greater than 5, what do you have to do? You have to add 1 on tens place. So 5 becomes 6. And this underlined digit becomes 0. You have to estimate the answer. So what we are doing here, plus. So student, when you plus them, the answer will come 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 6, 10. Plus 1, 11. It will be 11. Clear? Answer is 110. Clear? Now we do B part. In B part also, firstly we write ones, tens and 100. In second number also we write ones, tens, 100. And nearest tens, what number we will underline? Ones place. Now see, in both the cases ones place number is 5. Means when there is a tie, then which team win? Both the teams win. It means that on tens place we get extra point. So 3 will become 4. Clear? So 635 rounded off to nearest tens will become 640. And 425 will become 430, because 5 is equals to 5. So on tens place we get 1. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So add them. 0 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Clear? And 6 plus 4 is 10. So answer is 1070. Clear? Now I have done A and B part of question 1. So C part, students, you have to do by yourself. Now we do question 2. In question 2, there is a minus sign. In place of plus sign, what sign is there? Minus. But you have to do nearest tens. So what do? Firstly, on a number you write ones, tens. Ones, tens. Which place you underline? Ones place. Now ones place number is 7. And we always compare with 5. 7 is greater than 5. So 6 will become 7. So you write in a copy like this manner. 67 rounded off to 70. And 18. In 18, if I compare 8 with 5, again 8 is greater. It means that this one become 2. And underlined digit become 0. Now what do you have to do? Minus. Because they said na, there is a minus sign, and when we find estimated difference we have to minus the number which we have round off. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. So answer is 50. Clear? This is a rough work. If you wish to do, you can do it. Clear? Now I am doing B part. B part number is 356 minus 215. Ones, tens, 100. Clear? Again on number ones, tens, hundred. But we have to do nearest tens. So what place we have to underline? Ones place. 6 is greater than 5. What you get? Extra point on tens place because we are doing nearest 10. So 5 will becomes 6 and 6 will become 0 because underlined digit become 0. Now again if I see 5 equals to 5, clear, it means still I get extra point. So 1 becomes 2 and underlined digit becomes 0. Now what we have to do? Minus, because there is a minus sign, minus them. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is 140. Clear? Now I have done question number 2, A and B part. C part you have to practice by yourself in a maths copy. Clear? Now we do question number 3 in the copy. Estimate the sum. Sum means you have to find out the estimate sum. Sum means you have to add them. 725 and 836. But this time you have to round off to nearest 100. Nearest 100 means you have to write ones, tens, 100 on a number. And which place in nearest 100 we compare? Tens place. So it's 10 places 2 and it's tens places 3. So when you compare your 2 with 5, is your number is greater? No. 5 is greater. Do you get extra point on 100? No. So 725 rounded off to 700. Clear? Now 3 compare with 5. 3 is smaller. So you get extra point on 100? No. So 8 will come as it is. And underlined digit becomes 0. And along with underlined digit, ones place also become 0. Clear? Now what we have to do? Estimate the sum. Sum means plus them. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 7 plus 8 is 15. So answer is 1500. Clear? Now we do next question. Question number 4. Estimate the difference. Now you have to find what? Difference. Difference of 956 and 481. This time also you have to round off to nearest 100. So on a number you write ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Which place we will underline? Tens place because we are doing nearest 100. Now compare 5 with 5. If both numbers are equal, you get extra point on 100 place. So 9 will become 10. And underline digit and ones place become 1000. Clear? Now we compare next place, that is 481. So we compare 8 with 5. My number is greater, so I will get extra point on 100 place. So 4 will become 5 and 8 0 and 1 also 0. Now what we have to find? Difference. So minus them. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. So answer is 500. Clear, students? So students, today we have done round off the numbers to nearest tens and nearest 100. Nearest tens, you have to compare the ones place number with 5. If it is smaller than 5, then you will not get extra point. If it is 5 or more than 5, you get extra point on tens place. In nearest 100, we have to compare the tens place. If tens place number is less than 5, you will not get extra point on 100 place. If it is 5 or more than 5, you get extra point on 100 place. Clear? So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.